Guys, I just manifested a huge amount of money in less than 30 minutes, and here's how I did it. I just woke up. I literally just woke up. I'm traveling, okay? I'm going out of the country, and I had this dream where my family gave me money for this travel, right? And this dream exactly had an amount, and it told me how it's gonna happen. At the same time, it also told me who was in the photo. And most of my dreams, they really become true, especially if I want them to. The first time I tried, I was like, hello, Papa. Papa, can I have money for this travel? He was like, no, you have your own money. Which I do, but, you know, I didn't want to ask for money. So he was like, you have naman, don't ask. And then I asked my lola. My lola was just laughing. So my lolo and my lola, they were the ones in my dream. And I was like, oh no, maybe it's just a dream. But then I was like, you know what? I don't think it's a dream. I think it's gonna happen, and I believe it's gonna happen. So before I did anything else, I did my morning routine. So my morning routine usually consists of EFT tapping, affirmations, and just getting into the right mood, the right vibe we're in. I feel happy, I feel very grateful, I feel like everything happens for me. Just basically very happy, and I feel like, you know, receiving. I also watched my previous video, which is basically telling me that my manifestations are coming. And I believe in that, so I was like, I'm just gonna go on my day. And I just won't force it, but I will ask again because I have this phone app as well, or this phone widget, which is a yes or no widget that helps me basically answer my questions. Like, if I had to do something, that phone widget would tell me, yes, you should do it, or no, you shouldn't do it. So I asked my phone and it said yes. So I trusted it, and then I asked again. To my surprise, my grandfather gave me $100 bill, and I was really happy. I was already grateful. Honestly, it doesn't matter how much they gave to me. I was just really happy. I'm really good with money as well, so it doesn't really matter. But then my lola also called me, and then she gave me cash, but it was folded. And I was just saying, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I wasn't really expecting it since my lola already gave me money. Then I went back to my room. I'm about to pack my stuff for this travel. I was counting the money, and it is exactly the amount of money I had in my dream. So, oh my god, I'm so happy. So what you're gonna do if you're manifesting money maybe in the next 24 hours, I want you to do EFT tapping. I want you to go to YouTube, search for EFT tapping for money, and I want you to do it once you wake up, and then also watch this YouTube video that I have that can help you out to really get into that vibe, and then just forget about the money that you're manifesting. Just go on with your day. And if you have this gut feeling, that intuition that you have to do something, just do it, because that is basically God, the universe, telling you that this is how you're gonna get money, and you just have to trust your gut feeling, okay?